Having baby soft skin doesn't require a hefty investment and expensive products. In fact, the secret to achieving a very smooth, radiant complexion lies in your very own kitchen. With just a few simple ingredients and a bit of consistency, get that, a bit of consistency, you can unlock the best results in as little as 14 days. Forget the high-priced creams and treatments. Nature's remedies are not only effective but also affordable. Here's how you can transform your skin using everyday items you already have at home and in your kitchen. So let's go.